10 as read together with Article 73, 74, 75, and the 232 of the Constitution of Kenya, 2010, provides for accountability for state officer to the public for decisions and actions as a key guideline principle of leadership and integrity. First, aware that Section 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, 32, and 34 of the Leadership and Integrity Act provides for the General Leadership and Integrity Code, with breach of public trust, failing to carry out the duties of his office in a professional, transparent, and accountable manner, using his office to unlawfully enrich himself, failing to conduct the duties of his office with impartiality and objectivity in accordance with Article 10, 27, 73, 2p, and 232, and the practicing, preferring, and engaging in corrupt or unethical practices, and engaging in actions that pull. And further, aware that Section 11, 1, 2A, 1, and C of the Public Officers and Ethics Act that provides that a public officer shall not use his office to improperly enrich himself or others, and shall not accept favors from a person who has an interest that may be affected by the carrying out of the public officer his duties, and shall not, for the personal benefits of himself or another, use or allow the use of information that is acquired in connection with the public officer's duties. And further, aware that Section 6, 1A, C, and the 2, 3 of the Bribery Act that provides a person commits the offense of receiving the bribe if the person requests, agrees to receive, or receives a financial or other advantage, intending that a relevant function or activity be performed properly by that person receiving the bribe, and in anticipation of or as a consequence of a person requesting for or agreeing to receive or accepting a financial or other advantage, an activity is performed improperly by that person or another person. Honourable members, further aware that the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Dr. Monda Robert, has still failed to uphold the oath of office, and instead he has grossly violated the Constitution of Kenya, has abused the office, and his conduct is wanting. Honourable members, yes, Honourable members, the County Assembly now resolves to remove His Excellency Dr. Robert Monda from office of the County Deputy Governor of Kisii by way of impeachment pursuant to Article 181, subsection 1A and C of the Constitution of Kenya, 2010, Section 33 of the County Government Act 2012, and the County Assembly Standing Orders, number 61, as read with 60 on the following grounds. 1. Gross violation of the Constitution or another law. Whereas Article 179, 4, first deputy chief executive power on the Deputy Governor, and whereas in the consideration of the provision of Article 10 and 73, subsection 1A, 3, and 4 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, insofar as it connotes to the manner in which the state officer is expected to exercise assigned authority. Article 71, Article 75, subsection 1 of the Constitution, as read with section 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, and 32, 34 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, and section 9 and 11, subsection 1, 2A, 1 and C of the Public Officer Ethics Act oblige a state officer to behave in all senses in a manner that is devoid of compromising public or of official interest in favor of a personal interest. One of the members, the Deputy Governor, actions of requesting for a bribe, receiving a bribe is made to compromise the integrity of the recruitment decision of WASCO, and the same is driven by reversing, reversing, improper, and inferior motives, and for corrupt purposes is complete disregard of the provision of Article 73, 2P, and Article 73C. By virtue of the Deputy Governor requesting and receiving a bribe of 800,000, he is in breach of the provision of Article 232, which obliges the public officer to observe the value and the principles of public service that include high standard, professional ethics, fair competition, and merits as the basis of appointments and promotions, and Article 73, 2T of the Constitution requires that all state officers to be accountable to the public for their decisions and actions. The Deputy Governor, Dr. Robert Monda, violated Article 10, 73, 75, and 232 of the Constitution, which binds the state officers while discharging their duties in office in Adia. The Wusi Water and Sanitation Company advertised for various job vacancies in April 2023, and they said Deputy Governor alerted Dennis Mugai's father that he could secure his son a job upon paying him bribe for 800,000. Only upon his shortlisting and being interviewed for the post. The Deputy Governor, sorry, you know, the reading is so wide. Sometimes it reminds me that I need to drink some water.